Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. Today we're showing you how to make this completely edible pressed flower and gold leaf pumpkin, perfect for a not so scary Halloween or the perfect decor if you're having an autumnal wedding. Everything we're using to decorate our pumpkin is edible, so we have some edible glue. You can obviously make your own edible glue if you want to, or you can buy edible glue like this. We've got some gold leaf, which is edible, and then we've also got some pressed edible flowers. Now you can obviously use any flowers you want for this if you're not thinking about eating the pumpkin afterwards, or if you do, just make sure, if you do want to eat it, just make sure you've got flowers that are edible ones and won't cause any harm. So for the pressed flowers, you can obviously either press some flowers yourself, either using a traditional flower press or a microwave press, or using an iron with some greaseproof paper, or we actually ordered some edible flowers already pressed from the company Nurtured in Norfolk, so they're all ready to go for us, ready to decorate our pumpkin with. One thing just to mention about the paintbrushes I've got here, these are ones that are purely used for cake decorating and for food. These aren't ones that have been used for paint, so just make sure whatever you're going to use to decorate your pumpkin, that you're happy for it to come into contact with food, and it's not from your latest watercolour masterpiece.